Good morning, people. Leaving Slubice from today. In a room where I was for 2 days. Looked like this. Quite basic, but I could have done my thing, which was mostly video editing. Today we go to the east of Poland. Southeast, more or less, from here. Which is only 3 hours of cycling. Should be an easy day, though it's going to be a quite hot day. They said it's going to be 28, 29 degrees, so let's see how that goes. See you on the road. And let's give the key back. It is early, so let's hope they are there or awake at least. Hello.
Hello.
I am finished.
Okay.
Yeah? Do I need to do something? It's finished or? Yeah? Okay. I go.
Are over?
Over, yeah. Alright, bye. It's hard to communicate, man. Pack the bags. And this is the Polish supermarket. And they are closed. Okay.
Closed?
Closed, yeah.
Today is holiday, you know?
Today's holiday.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's why
Everything is closed.
empty.
Okay.
But cigarette shops, gas station, I don't know, I don't think
No supermarket?
much, what?
Other supermarket?
Biedronka, I think no. Here you have one Biedronka
Yeah.
and Netto
Netto?
this way.
Yeah.
We're driving here and then here, all way down straight.
Okay. Is
But
that
I-
open?
I don't know.
Okay.
Because I only coming here to buy cigarettes and
Do they sell lunch?
I think yes,
They have bread?
maybe,
Maybe?
yeah,
Let me see. Thank you, man. It's alright.
no problem.
Okay,
Have
bye.
a good day, yeah.
Yes. So it's a holiday, but there is some kind of market. Let's see if we can get some lunch here. They even have DVDs. Oh, they have cheese. No, I don't speak Polish.
Where are you from?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah. You have cheese?
Cheese? Here.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Which one is this?
This one.
That one? Okay.
Or this one. Yellow. This.
That one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Welche bessere?
This one is good.
This one good, ne?
But I need some bread too. Do you have bread?
Bread.
You know
no.
bread. But I can buy it there, right?
Yes. Zloty?
Zloty, yes.
Moment. Thank you so much.
How do you say thank you again in Polish?
Dziękuję.
Dziękuję, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
Super. Vrouwen, we wünschen dir probieren unsere Geräusche verlernen. Das schmeckt wirklich gut, neue Kite. Heute angekommen, gestern Geräusch.
And how do you say bye?
Bei do widzenia.
Do widzenia?
Do widzenia.
Do widzenia, okay.
Ja, bis dann.
Oh, they have bread here. Hello, do you speak English?
Wie?
English? A little bit?
English?
English, yeah.
Deutsch, Russisch, Polish.
Oh, okay. This one is 50 cents, 50 euro.
Yeah, 50 euro.
50 euro cents.
50 cent, 50 cent.
Yeah, okay. Give me all three.
A to przecież mówisz pan, a dlaczego gadasz tak? Kurwa jak dziecko.
You need a euro?
Ani euro.
I need a 50.
Sekundę, ja?
Yes. Okay, dziękuję.
Dziękuję.
Dziękuję. Okay.
Mein Feiertag ist. Oma mag Baden?
Back to the bike. Out of Slubice. It's quiet. It's also national holiday. It's 3rd of May. And 3rd of May looks to be a national holiday in Poland. So a lot of things are closed, but it's quiet on the road. So they said it's going to be warm, and it's 10 o'clock already, 22 degrees or so. Thankfully I have a short drive. Let's see how it goes. So look at this. They have cobblestones on the left and a bike path on the right. Good job, Poland. You see that car? He's not happy with the cobblestones. It's quite empty here. There's a bike path, that's this, and then there is nothing on the side. There's trees and a lot of nothingness. Another break. Just the apple. Look at the scenery. Yep, that's Poland. It is hot though today. I think it's 27 degrees. I can feel it. Got a lot of water. This is how I chill in Poland. Tired, man. It's warm. It's really warm.
Come right now. Coming from Krasnojańskie.
Are you walking?
Yeah.
It's hot.
The sun is shining.
Yeah. Alright, good luck.
Cheers.
Yes, see you.
Take care.
Yeah.
Have a good time. Where are you going?
Like one, let me see. Bronków?
Bronków.
Yeah.
Nad jezioro.
Yeah.
Swimming.
Yeah, there's a tent. I'll sleep outside. Yeah, a tent, yes.
Good. Have a good time.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, see you, man.
Okay.
I have to walk. Sand is something this bike cannot handle. So I have to walk around it. Look at the sand, man. It's too bad. Oh yeah, we go again in the sand and it slips all the time. Shit. Oh, that's a long ass road, man. Let's go on the side. It's heavy. All right. Shit. That was a lot of sand, man. A lot of sand. Let's see how this goes. This is better. Almost there. I had a lot of sandy roads. Sandy roads and this bike. It's a mismatch. Let's see. Hello. Is there a reception?
Yeah.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Do you have a place for one tent? Hello. How are you? Do you have a place for one tent? I'm here with the bicycle. Do you have? Okay, can I for one night stay?
Person,
Ein Person, ein Tent.
ein Tent.
Yes, ein Tent, ein Person. Look at this place, man. Close to the lake. And I can basically put my tent anywhere. Wow. Let's find a spot. I think I put my tent here, close to the toilets. We are here in Bronków at the lake. The lake's name is also Bronków. Camping site, quite a lot of people. There, and then that house there, that's the reception. Here is the bike. My tent will be here. It's a good day. Tent is set. Ciao guys.